Last one of the night. Help me out, Arkansas Valley, with a 3, a 2, and a great big 1. Let's go hit somebody. Oh, yeah. Come on. Man, that water's, whoa. And the watermelon still stands. Still stands. Oh, number 3 might have it. No. Oh, there it goes. 88 gonna take the watermelon. John Herbal. That's the number 88 of John Herbal. That's right. Whoops. The old pink one here died. First one out. Come on now. Give it to him. Oh. 1 out so far. Oh, hard hit by Carter. Looking for a push. Is he gonna get in? Boom. Uh-oh. Put him in a bad spot over there. The 88. Oh, that's gonna shove one out. That loosens things up from the back end. Carter got over there in the berm, stuck. Maybe here's a little help, little love tap, another love tap, not much love, and a kiss on the cheek. I don't think it was even on the cheek. Oh, Carter's loose. Come on now, go around, come on, get him hard. Oh, that's a bell ringer. I'll be seeing stars for the next 30 days. We got 4 moving left. 2 seem to be big. Bumping a little harder next time. Oh, here we go. Oh, outrunning. Back. Oh, left rear tires coming off. Looks like 3 still running. Carter's going to pull his flag. That's 88, 71, and number 8 still out there. Whoop. That's Rainer, that's John, and Albert. Ready to go. Oh, come on. You can't go around turning to the left. It's not NASCAR. Oh. Give him a little. I don't know if they're hitting anybody, but they're doing a lot of chasing. Hey, they're going and they're turning to the left. It's NASCAR short tracking, huh? I think it's NASCAR. I don't know. Come on, hit somebody! Oh, there's a little bit. There's a little bit. There's a little more. Come on, you gotta show more love than that. Mark and I love, and we want to see more of it. They still Look at Nina and John and Albert out there in the corner. Oh, John, you got to back up, hit him hard. Oh, get him outside. Comes in the number 8. You missed. You weren't supposed to miss. He's getting ready for that one. I can't lie, Mark. I would have done the same thing. Yeah, he said it. Waiting for us to go. See something good. Oh, let's talk about this a minute. Sweetie, I didn't mean to do that. And there you go. Looks like number 88, John Herbal, is going to be taking the money. Jonathan Herbal, your winner. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is our show for the night. We hope you enjoyed yourself because we enjoyed having you. We look forward to seeing you next year when we celebrate 148 years of the Arkansas Valley Fair. For myself, I'm Mark Grassmick, along with Kyle Hericotta. Do us a favor. Enjoy the rest of the floor and be safe.